What's up everyone, Jamie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be reviewing which investment strategy did the best this week in the Challenge Fund. If you are new to my channel, I'm going to be doing a weekly series on 4 different investment strategies from YouTubers that have inspired me to start this channel. I took these 4 different investment strategies and put $500 into each of these funds at the beginning of last week, and we will be dollar cost averaging $100 into each of these funds weekly. Then we will be seeing which strategy is working the best in today's market. I thought it would be fun to take 4 different ways to invest your money and see which one would do the best for this year of 2022. So let's get started. First off, let's take a look at how each stock market index fared this week. The Dow Jones Industrial. For the week, it was down 0.09%, while the S&P 500 was down 0.47%, and the Nasdaq had the biggest loss of 1.66% this week. And finally, the Russell 2000 index, it was down 1.55% this week. Each week, we'll be looking at how each investment strategy fared for the week. So let's see who came in 4th place this week. Coming in 4th place this week is Jeremy from Financial Education, the small cap crusader. Overall for the week, his fund stocks were down 2.71%. Here's a look at each one and how they fared. Coming with the worst loss was Upwork at 10.8%, and then the next worst is Oatly, which is at a negative 9.1% loss, while the biggest gainer was Tattooed Chef at 7.12% gain. Coming in 3rd place is Joseph Carlson, the Dividend Destroyer. Fund was down 1.34%, with the biggest losers this week being JP Morgan Chase and Disney, and the biggest gainers this week being Home Depot. Coming in 2nd place is Graham Stephan, the ETF King. Overall, this fund was down 1.09%, with the biggest loss coming from the Vanguard Total International ETF Fund at 4.32%, and the smallest loss coming from the S&P 500 ETF of only a 0.36% loss. Finally, coming in 1st place this week is myself, Jamie Paris, the Recession Wrangler, with an overall gain of 4.15% this week, with the biggest losses coming from Anheuser-Busch Company and the biggest gainers coming from Kroger and Waste Management. I hope you understand this is not a reflection on these other YouTubers, as the stocks I picked for them were just from videos I have watched over the years on how they're investing their money. With that being said, if you'd like to review this portfolio in more detail, there'll be a link in the description. The stock brokerage account I am using is M1 Finance, and if you like what you see, it is very easy to use. I have a referral link below in the description that you can use if you want to set up an account. If you use this link, we will both get $50 for setting up a new account. I will be doing a review of M1 Finance in a future video. If you're enjoying this content, please support the channel by smashing the like button, subscribe to my channel, or just leave a comment below and tell me who you think is going to win next week. Thanks so much and have a fantastic day.